How's it going? How's it going, guys? It's your boy GT3RS Designs, back at it again with another banger video. It's been a while since we went viral, so I had to do it to you guys. So what do we have here? We got a beautiful Ferrari Testarossa, and we got a beautiful GT2. But wait, psych, we're not working on these cars. Come, let me show you guys what we're working on. What do we have here? We got Mother Nature hitting you with a behind me, we got Mondi GT3, but let's hold on for a second. Come with me, guys. Let me show you what ATX is all about. We got cars and cars, we got Gallardo, we got a Huracan, not only Huracan, but Performante. We got Mondi's little beautiful track car. We might be painting it, you never know. We got the one and only Maxime and the one and only Mondi. Give us some class, give us some class. What do we have here, man?
I got trash bags.
Oh, we got trash bags? Alright, that's what we came for. Alright, so follow me. Let's see what else we got. So, we got a lot of working progress cars, back to back. Goes all the way around. Show them a little view of everything. And then, wait, what? What'd you say, Max? Alright, so let me show you guys what Max did the past 45 minutes. It took him 45 minutes.
I'll slap you.
I'm kidding. Little Maxime did it in 5 minutes. Huh, Maxime? Look at this beautiful masking job. You see? What is he doing? He's masking the pipe.
And you're watching.
What do you mean? I'm about to paint, bro. Look. Look, Max. I got my paint cans ready, baby. Alright, y'all, so today's process, proud sponsorship is brought to you by ATX. We got the one and only Tahine Special orange gummy bears. And that's how we eat, you know? You gotta eat right, you feel me? Alright, Max, tell them what we're doing right now. What are we painting today?
Turbos.
Turbos.
The cold side.
Cold side, there you go.
Turbos.
West side or cold side?
Cold side. West
Cold
side.
side. What's good, guys? It's your boy GT3RS Designs. What do we have here? We got two turbos that I painted with the one and only Montana Gold spray cans. We got this lime green, hot pink, I've got a beautiful yellow to match with Edmond Mondi's car. So come guys, let me show you how this new crazy wrap looks like. It's done by another fellow artist. And look at this, guys. crazy. Come look at the interior. Show them the interior. We got beautiful lime green on black. We got suede with green stitching all the way around. Beautiful, beautiful spec GT3RS. Look at the rims, guys. And we might go a little crazy. We might paint splatter this too, cause like, why not? You feel me? And yeah. Come here, let me show you what I did.
Show me.
One and only.
Oh, God.
What'd you do to my car?
Like or what? Oh, it's beautiful. I saw it on my phone. I kind of cheated. It's beautiful.
I have to cheat, you know?
That's sick. So this isn't gonna come off? Nah. For sure, for sure?
Scratch proof, weatherproof, waterproof. What else do you want?
No, that's all I want.
All we gotta use is beautiful Montana Gold spray cap.
That's sick, bro.
Yes, sir.
Alright, can we take it off now? Because I want to see if
Oh, yeah.
let it dry.
Andre, what the fuck, bro?
Oh, you got it on my car, bro. What?
I'm sorry, bro.
How'd you get it
I'm
behind
sorry.
the back?
Hey, where's the alcohol? Let's remove it. Bring it down. Yo, this is insane, bro.
Can you imagine this in downtown LA with all like the Tokyo lights going on?
Little Tokyo Drift edition. Tokyo Drift. Alright guys, so this concludes today's video. All I did was paint splatter the turbos, but we got more bangers coming up with me and the one and only Edmond Mondi. You guys gotta stay tuned. We got big projects coming up for 2020. I'm not gonna let you guys down, so stick with me.